So welcome back. I tried going further, right, with all the tasks, and even started doing it, right. But unfortunately, I messed up a lot with the video, so I had to delete it. But I guess that we will be okay with just reviewing what I've already done, because some of these things were extremely difficult to do with my broken logic. Here we are. Last time we did first three programs, right? We'll start with number 4 today. We need to make up a program for uniting two dictionaries. We have the first dictionary, we have the second dictionary, and we have the empty variables that's going to include first two of them. What do we do? In a cycle, we just go for each key and implement key and value into the result um, dictionary. The same way I'm doing with our second list. So 1 with the value of 1, 2 with the value of 2, 3 with the value of 3, and 4 with the value of 4. 8 works. Okay. This was a pretty easy one. I'm trying to avoid everything we don't know yet. This one was a little bit trickier. Number 5. We need to make up a program for searching the duplicates in the list. So we need to find out if any of the elements are repeated. What did I do here? I took our second program, right, which was to count the frequency of the words in the list. I took it and altered it a little bit. So till here, it's okay. It's the same. We make up a list by splitting the text. We make up a dictionary with 0 frequencies. We count the frequency of each element of the list. Then I made a variable duplicates, which is going to include the list of all the duplicates. For each element in our final dictionary, including the frequency, I just check if the frequency is more than 1, then we add it to the list. And here we are. Input the text. I, he, she, it, they, we, you. I, we, you, he, she, it, they, yeah. We, it, I, yeah. So in the final result, we have only those that have duplicates. It's not that hard, as the main part has already been made. And number 6. Number 6 is my personal pain, because we need to make up a program for sorting the dictionary according to the values, not according to the keys, which is very important. Otherwise, we could just use sort function or sorted function, doesn't really matter in this case. And as I'm floating in this topic, it took me a lot of time to find out how to do that. So we have a dictionary. The keys are prearranged, but the values are not. So we make up a variable that is going to contain the sorted dictionary. Then what do? We can sort lists, right? And we need to make a dictionary with the sorted values. So we get the values, we make it a list, we yeah, we sort this list, and then I will go. That's when the pivoted part takes place. For every element in dict2, which is the sorted list of values, for each of them, we are looking for all the dictionary. And if the value is equal to the this element of the list, which is sorted, we add it to our final result. That's what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is completely sorted. Okay. So I guess that's enough for today. It's gonna be pretty short. Oh my god, I managed to make a short video. Next time we are going to work with the rest of the tasks, which is going to be pretty hard, as I need to look through how to work with metrics. I need to look through how to work with JSON data and how it works by default, right? So it might be a pretty long video, but I'll try to keep it short and simple. So if you have any questions, if something is pretty vague to your mind, you can tell me, and please, if you have such a wish, I'd be really grateful. I'd really appreciate if you just left the comment with how, like, what it was playing. Okay, so is the quality of the sound better now? Is my behavior better? Because I'm trying to improve myself. I know that it might be a little bit unclear, but still I'm trying. So I would really like to have some feedback, if you may, and we will keep doing the things, even though the progress is pretty slow to someone's mind, as for me, for example. But we are not going to stop. The only need you need to do in this life, the only thing, is to keep pushing. Keep it pushing. So thank you very much for our video today. I hope you were satisfied with it and you probably found out something new. You also can comment and send me some critique on my methods of solving these tasks. I'll appreciate that and try to improve my skills and knowledge as well. Have a nice day. Bye.